Welcome back, space enthusiasts! It's time to embark on another cosmic adventure with Space Getaway, your go-to channel for all things out of this world. Today, we have some exciting news that will revolutionize the way that we travel through the skies. Fasten your seatbelt, folks, and before we take off, I want to ask you one question. Have you ever dreamed of flying at supersonic speeds? Stay tuned to find out how NASA's latest innovation could make that dream a reality. But before we take off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that you never miss an interstellar update. Trust me, you won't want to miss what we have in store for you today, so let's dive right on into the future of aviation. Picture this: super fast planes flying at unimaginable speeds, taking you from one corner of the globe to another in a matter of hours. Well, NASA's new innovation might just make that a reality. They've developed a groundbreaking technology called aeroelastic wings. This could revolutionize the way that airplanes fly. So what exactly are aeroelastic wings? Well, imagine an aeroplane wing that can bend and twist in response to aerodynamic forces, just like that of a bird's wing. These wings adapt to the conditions that they encounter, making the aircraft more efficient, reducing drag, and increasing fuel efficiency. It's like having a superpower for airplanes. Now, I know what you're thinking. How on earth did NASA come up with this idea? Well, it turns out that they just drew inspiration from the wings of birds, which have been honed by millions of years of evolution. Mother Nature truly is the best teacher, isn't she? Now, you see, birds have perfected the art of flying through eons of evolution. Their wings are not rigid structures like traditional airplane wings. Instead, they're flexible and can change shape, allowing birds to maneuver with ease and efficiency. NASA's aeroelastic wings aim to capture this adaptability and incorporate it into an aircraft design. Now, you might be wondering how those wings achieve such flexibility. Well, it all comes to the materials used in the ingenious engineering behind them. Aeroelastic wings utilize advanced composites and smart materials that can deform and recover their shape when subjected to different forces during flight. Those smart materials can bend, twist, and change their stiffness just like that of the wings of a bird. When an airplane encounters turbulent air or varying speeds, these wings adjust to maintain stability, reduce the drag, and optimize performance. It's like having a built-in autopilot that adapts to the ever-changing conditions of our sky. Now, another remarkable aspect of the aeroplastic wings is their ability to reduce the overall weight of the aircraft. Traditional wings have various control surfaces, such as ailerons and flaps, which add the weight and complexity. But with aeroelastic wings, these additional components can be eliminated, leading to lighter and more streamlined airplanes. The reduced weight not only improves fuel efficiency, but also allows for greater payload capacity. Imagine for more room for passengers, extra cargo space, or even additional fuel for an extended range. Aeroelastic wings open up a world of possibility for airlines and travelers alike. Alright folks, you know what time it is. That's right, it's time for a joke break. Why did the Scarecrow become an airplane pilot? Because he was outstanding in his field. Okay, back to our amazing aeroelastic wings. So, let's recap. NASA's aeroelastic wings take inspiration from the incredible wings of birds, using flexible materials and smart engineering to create wings that adapt and optimize performance during flight. Just imagine boarding one of these aircraft, soaring through the sky at incredible speeds and reaching your destination in record time. It's a thrilling vision of the future that could revolutionize the way we explore the world. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about aeroelastic wings? Are you excited about the potential that they hold for the future of airplane travel? Share your comments down below. Imagine if airplanes could flap their wings like birds. Talk about a flock of flying machines. But fear not, my friends, we won't have birds invading our skies anytime soon. Instead, NASA has taken the principle behind bird wings and incorporated them into a more practical and elegant solution. These aeroelastic wings could drastically reduce fuel consumption, leading to a greener and more sustainable future for air travel. Just imagine jetting off to your dream destination while knowing that you're helping to protect our planet. It's a win-win situation. And here's the best part. With this technology, airplanes could fly at higher altitudes, avoiding turbulent weather conditions and providing a smoother ride for all passengers. No more motion sickness or bumpy landings. You'll feel like you're gliding through the clouds just like a bird. So, how do these aeroelastic wings actually work? Well, the idea behind them is to create wings that can adapt and change shape in response to the aerodynamic forces they encounter during a flight. The traditional fixed wing design has served us well for many decades, but the aeroelastic wings take inspiration from the wings of birds and aim to mimic their flexibility and efficiency. Now, I can already hear you saying, how on earth did NASA come up with this idea in the first place? Well, it turns out that nature has always been a great source of inspiration. For scientists and engineers especially, but by studying this flight mechanics of birds and other flying creatures, NASA researchers have gained valuable insights into how wings can be designed to maximize efficiency and maneuverability. One of the primary advantages of aeroelastic wings is their potential to significantly reduce fuel consumption. By adjusting the wing shape and stiffness, these wings can reduce drag and increase aerodynamic efficiency, allowing the planes to travel much faster while using less fuel. This not only saves money but also reduces greenhouse gas emissions and contributes to a greener, more sustainable future for air travel. Another exciting aspect of aeroelastic wings is their potential to enhance passenger comfort. These wings can help dampen vibrations and reduce the effects of turbulence, providing a smoother and more pleasant flying experience for everyone on board. So you can say goodbye to those bumpy rides and hello to a more enjoyable journey through the skies. And now, as promised, is a joke that's out of this world. Why don't airplanes like to play cards? Because they're always winging it. Alright, now let's get back to exploring the amazing aeroelastic wings and the future of air travel. This innovation has the potential to transform the aviation industry as we know it. With faster and more efficient planes, we could open up new possibilities for travel, connecting distant corners of the world and bringing people closer together. It's an exciting prospect that could shape the future of how we explore our planet. So, what do you think about aeroelastic wings? Could they be the future of airplane travel? I'm eager to hear your thoughts, so let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you're as excited as I am about the potential of this groundbreaking technology. As we wrap up today's mind-blowing journey, I have one last question for you. What other futuristic technologies do you think could shape the future of aviation? Share your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you've enjoyed our video. Thank you so much for joining me today on Space Getaway. If you want to keep exploring the wonders of the universe, remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on those notifications. But until next time, fellow space travelers, keep reaching for the stars.